Welcome to new era of shipping. The title of our idea is Smart Maritime Maintenance and Operations Platform. In this journey, I will accompany you, Ateka Tasrif Maysha from Port and Shipping Management, final year, Bangladesh Maritime University.
And Mahmudul Hasan from Department of Port and Shipping Management, final year, Bangladesh Maritime University.
The solution will revolutionize the industry for fixing two major problems, which you will get to know after this video.
The engine status?
Main engine is down, Captain. We've lost propulsion. Major repairs needed.
Can we maintain position?
Negative. We're drifting.
Understood. Nearest port is 20 miles away. I'll request tug support immediately. Prepare the crew and secure all systems.
Aye, Captain.
Pan. This is MV Horizon. Total propulsion failure. Position 20 nautical miles off nearest port. Request tug assistance. Over.
Okay, let's keep it steady.
The readings are stable. Proceed as planned.
And the last port could have fixed everything in half the cost.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, Smart Maritime Maintenance and Operations Platform is a combination of predictive maintenance system and blockchain-based spare parts platform to enhance safety and efficiency in shipping industry.
Here comes the problem statement, which is mainly unexpected failure of different parts of ships, which occurs disruption in ship's operation. One of the biggest challenges in shipping is operational disruption, especially when the engine or propulsion stop working properly. The ship needs dry dock, and by butterfly effect, the whole supply chain will be affected. Unplanned breakdown not only just stop a ship, it can cause huge financial cost. As a result, a single failure can cost millions. Once you consider the delay, revenue lost from the overall delay and disruptions.
Our solution is built around the predictive maintenance system. Using RT sensors, we can constantly track things like vibration, temperature, oil quality, and fuel performance. And if we find any kind of anomaly, by using the machine learning or artificial intelligence, we can track that within how much time the machinery can fall, and we have to go for a repair. So we are getting an early warning. In the contrast, the traditional maintenance system depends on the regulations fixed by the IMO that you have to go for a dry dock after 2 years. But basically, a machinery can fall within 1 week, and a machinery can also sustain for 10 years. You never know. So when you are going to face the accident is actually dependent on luck. So why don't we just predict the future and we take the steps accordingly? Then when there is a problem, we are going to make that solution before that happens. There comes the challenges faced for emergency dry docking. Emergency dry docking is the scariest situation a ship owner can face. When a vessel needs emergency dry docking, then the prices go from 1,000 to million in very short time, just because it's emergency. And the problem gets worse if the port you are going doesn't have the service you are seeking for. Another challenge is unpredictability of dry dock slots. Think you are going through a very busy port, and for dry docking you have to wait for next 12 hours. So that's actually a 12 hours operational cost loss. Not only this, emergency dry docking often comes with inflated repair cost. As the ship needs urgent attention, the attention also comes with a price, which actually escalates too much depending on the emergency and depending on the rarity of the parts. Now, as a solution to this problem, we introduced the blockchain-based spare parts marketplace. This platform will connect the ship owners directly to the suppliers, ensuring the transparency in pricing and availability. Our vision is an integrated maintenance ecosystem. By combining predictive maintenance system with blockchain-based spare parts marketplace, we can make it seamless. We can make the system more reliable, more friendly, and there will be no cost surprises as well. So initial detection is the key. Predictive maintenance system offers to know that what part can fail in 3 to 21 days duration, which actually makes the ship owners work very early. So the downtime, delays and surprises, those are just words from the past. Those doesn't exist in this new era of shipping. The moment the fault is detected, our platform secures a dry docking slot and orders the needed spare parts, which makes the whole process a lot easier, as the platform already have the list of all the ports nearby who are delivering those spare parts and who can provide such kind of dry docking facilities which are needed. Now the smart contracts, they actually offer the trust and transparency. Once the work is done or once the repairing finished, it just automatically pays the port or whoever the receiver is for the services, and the payment is automated, safe and tamper proof. Using our integrated maintenance ecosystem, the need for emergency dry docking can cut up to 40%, which is actually a great number. So the requirement for the emergency dry docking will also decrease, and that means that the inflated cost or all the things which we thought as a challenge will not be a challenge furthermore. The predictive maintenance system can boost the ship's operational time by 25%, as there is no need for regular daily checkups for dry dock. Rather, you can just go see the dry dock when it's necessary or when you are actually facing a problem. Now overall, this predictive maintenance system and blockchain based marketplace can allow you to save thousands and millions of dollars across the whole fleet by just using it and by just avoiding the accidents that we could have faced. Smart maritime maintenance and operations platform is not just a technology. Though it's not just one technology, it's a combination of predictive maintenance system and blockchain, which actually makes the whole shipping industry revolutionize for its uniqueness of not facing any kind of accident when you know the future already. By using this technology, we can make the ships safer, the maintenance proactive, and the operations far more efficient. So this is revolutionizing the maritime industry by changing the way it works. It doesn't require the IMO regulations to actually make you dry dock. Rather, the predictive maintenance system will tell you earlier than when and how you need to dry dock, where will be the least costly option and what will be the least delayed option. So you will know early that when you are going to go through which part of the maintenance system, and a smart contract just makes this far more easier with the automated payments and tamper proof payments. So this is the future we are seeking for, and this is the future we are going to. Now, do you think that this technology is only useful for the shipping companies? Wrong. This technology is actually very much useful for the small ports, because the small ports can actually focus on the dry docking facilities and their spare parts facilities, which will eventually turn the ships to their port, and you can charge for the dry docking, and by this the small ports also become useful, and the port congestion in the large port can also be reduced. So by this whole scenery, everyone is benefited: the port authorities, the spare parts dealers, the web operations or the blockchain operators, the predictive maintenance system operators, and also the shipping company. So it is benefit for everyone, and this implementation can revolutionize the whole shipping industry by a lot, especially by ensuring safety, trust, and seamlessness. Thank you, and let's have a look at the future we are going to see. Thank you. Thanks to all.
Before problems arise, the system already knows.
In seconds, the best port, the best price, automatically connected.
No waiting. No chaos. Just smooth, intelligent maintenance.
Thanks for staying with us. If you want to know anything about our idea or anything else, feel free to mail us.